Hello students, today we are going to discuss about while loop used in Python program. We know that there are two basic loops used in Python program. One is for loop, another is while loop. The function of these two loops are same, but the syntax of these two loops are different. Let us see how the syntax of these two loops are different to each other. When we use for loop, the syntax of this for loop like this. For a, then we use a variable, then we use in operator, and here we write the sequence. And according to this sequence, the statement will repeat. But in while loop, when we first need to initialize the value of variable, then we need to put a logical condition within while, and according to this condition, the loop body will execute. Let's take an example. Suppose we want to print numbers from 1 to 10. Then how can we write this program using for loop and while loop? Let us see. If you want to print this program using for loop, then we need to write the syntax like this. For a is a variable in range 1 to 11. Why we put here 11? We want to print 10, but we need to write here 11 because according to the rule of range, it will print value from its starting limit to low or to its upper limit minus 1. Therefore, we need to put here 11. Now it will print numbers from 1 to 10. Then we will print the value of a. Now we will save and we will run. We will get our result, that is value from 1 to 10. Okay. Now if you want to print the same number series, that is 1 to 10, using while loop, then how can we write the syntax for this? For while loop, we need to first initialize the value of a with 1 because we want to print the first value 1. Now we need to put here a condition, that is a less equal to 10, because we want to print numbers from 1 to 10. Therefore we need to put here 10. Then we need to print the value of a. Now take a look about this syntax. In for loop, we no need to initialize the value of a because it will automatically initialize in this range function. But in while loop, we need to initialize the value of a. Now in for loop, we no need to put any condition. We just write this range function, and what we want to print, we have to write the numbers or the sequence within this range function. But in while loop, we need to put here condition upon which the loop body will execute. Now in for loop, we no need to write any increment statement because according to this range function, the loop body will repeat. But in while loop, we need to put here an increment statement like this. Yes. According to this increment statement, the loop will repeat its action. Suppose here at first the value of a will print 1. Then in this increment statements, a equal to 1 and it will increment by 1, then a become 2, and in this while condition, if we check 2 less equal to 10, then it will again print the value of a, that is 2. Now the value of a is 2 and 2 plus 1 is 3, and a now 3. Now 3 less equal to 10 and it will again print the value of a, that is 3, and so on. The loop body will execute until a greater than equal to 10. Now when we save and will run, we will get our result. Okay. Now suppose if you want to print the statements or the sequence in reverse order, that is chain to 1, then how can we write the syntax to print the statements from 10 to 1 in for loop? Then in for loop we need to write the syntax like this. For a in range, we want to print numbers from 10 to 1, therefore we need to initialize or give a starting value 10 and the upper limit value 0, because we want to print numbers from 10 to 1. Now when we save and we'll run this program, one thing you have to enter here, the step value. If your series is decrement series, then you need to give here a step value in minus, because you want to print value in decrement, therefore we need to put here a minus step value, and we want to print number series 10 9 8, therefore here the step value is 1, therefore we need to put here 1, that is minus 1. Now when we save and will run, we will get our result, that is 10 to 1. Now the same output we want to print using while loop, then how can we write the syntax for while loop? Let's take a look. When we want to print the same output, that is series from 10 to 1, then we need to put here initial value of a is 10, because we want to print numbers from 10 to 1. Then we need to change the condition like this: if a greater than equal to 1, and here we need to write a decrement statement, because our loop or the series will in decrement order, that's why we need to put here a decrement statement. Now when we save and will run this program, we will get our result. One thing, now it is okay. We will get our result, that is numbers from 10 to 1. Okay, so this is the way by using which we can print our result using for loop and while loop. I hope you will understand this video. Now in our next video we will learn about some other topics about Python programming. Till now, take care and have a good day. Thank you.